Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your account in TikTok. So if you have a multiple accounts, so TikTok has given you an option to switch account between multiple accounts. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the application and just click to the profile section, and I'm right here. So for that you just need to click on these three horizontal lines. So just click here, and now you can find that option is settings and privacy. So just click here, and here you have find multiple options. So for choosing a right option, just scroll down, and now you can see that switch account. That's it. So here's the option where we can switch our multiple accounts. If you have multiple accounts, so just log in a single device and you can switch anytime that you want. And for that you just need to click on switch account, and that's it. Now you have the option to select account. If you have logged in multiple accounts here, so you can option to select account. I have only one account, so here showing only one account, lobby.start3. If you don't have multiple accounts, so you can just click here and add your secondary account here. Now here you can log in your existing account while using your phone number, mobile number, username. That's how you can add multiple account here and switch between multiple accounts. So this is a simple process, and that's how you can do it. And that's for the today's video. I hope this video will helpful for you, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.